Today, there are hundreds of thousands of options of how and where to learn online. Over the last 10 years of teaching ZBrush online, I came to see the weakness of how we were running the tutorials. I realized I needed to break the mold, develop different teaching methods, and rethink how people learn. So I created ZBrush Jewelry Workshop. It's not a limited, structured series of tutorials that you do once and you're supposed to know it all. It's a powerful, continuously growing education platform. Between Eric Keller and myself, we have over 37 years of ZBrush experience, much of that teaching and leading how ZBrush is used. It's a community for everyone. We provide the most basic information for someone who has never opened ZBrush, as well as projects, tools, and techniques that even a ZBrush professional can learn from, and refocus on using ZBrush in different ways. I have created a path that tunes your workflow, focusing on manufacturing, learning the ability to get any of your ideas out of the computer and into the physical world where you can monetize your creativity. And because it's a lifetime membership, it's not a race to get all your learning jammed into a 6-week class. It's an open platform for you to return to regularly, learn the skills you need to know, and progress at your own pace. It's not the same class you took 3 years ago. The information doesn't get stale because we update the videos and knowledge base as ZBrush evolves. We've created a destination, not a tutorial. It's a lively community where you can come to chat, ask questions, share information, and build relationships well beyond the coursework. It's accessibility through the Discord community, by dropping into my live weekly office hours, or by joining in the monthly live critique sessions. You have a live, real-time access to the other staff and me. I'm asked all the time, what's in the website? Let me show you the courses. We start with Start Here. This is where we teach beginners how to load the program and various assets, then how to get started and familiarize themselves with the user interface and other tools, which can be very confusing on your own at the beginning. We then have Mastering the Fundamentals. It is designed to give you a powerful introduction with in-depth and detailed videos showing you the brushes, tools, and ideas that make ZBrush so unique and powerful. This isn't just a bunch of introduction videos. It's conceived to be used as a reference library that updates throughout your time within ZBrush. While working, we all need to brush up on a tool or an idea sometime. This is a quick, unadulterated look at that specific tool or idea, so we can quickly refer to the specific skills we need for that job and find fast solutions. Here we also explore some ideas in art and design that have inspired me and how I use them in the design process. Next, we have the workshop, ZBrush Jewelry Workshop. These are the projects I've developed to not only teach you about the design and creation of specific styles and forms in ZBrush, but to train your eye and hand so it becomes second nature, making you comfortable and confident while creating your own work. I made this to be a place where you come back to these videos and work on the skill sets over and over as needed so you actually learn from them. Not being redundant, but it's a lifetime membership. It's not just a race to get your homework done in the few hours between work and life. You can't fall behind. It's at your own time. It's at your own pace. You have a lifetime to develop your skills to where you want them to be. And with each new revision of ZBrush, you will have new videos showing you how those updates can be applied to what we do. We then have rendering and imaging. Here we explore rendering within ZBrush, as well as several other software packages, student resources, and downloads. Here you'll find all of the downloadable assets for the projects and the collection of assets we created for the community. These collections are another place I wanted to seriously separate us from your other options. These are the models you would normally have to purchase if you didn't have the time or skill to build them yourselves. Within these collections, we bring you professional quality physical assets you can use in your own designs immediately. This has been a reason a lot of people new to ZBrush are reticent to adopt it into their workflows. They see videos of people sculpting exciting new things and they get excited. Then they step back and think about it. It seems like it'll take forever to get to that point where they can do that too. It can be really intimidating for new people. I completely understand this, and I felt that this is something I had to solve. So by creating libraries of all kinds of assets like decorations, hinges, clasps, chains, and other base shapes, it allows everyone at any skill level to open a form, play with it a bit, and now you've created custom pieces, as well as import any of the models you've created in other software packages to easily iterate by exploring some of the decorative options we have here. All this adds up to very little ZBrush experience. You can create new pieces with base shapes or greatly expand your already created lines quickly and painlessly. That way way you can monetize ZBrush in the very early days of your exploration. Deals and discounts. We lay out all the deals and discounts we provide for the members. I am constantly reaching out to the companies that create the tools I use to see if I can get deals for my community. It's nice. Many of them are willing to help us out. Here's where they are. Contests and challenges. We show the current and past contests and challenges we run through ZBJW. We do the challenges and contests to get you thinking outside of your normal subject matter, as well as having fun within the community. Every day, we are working on developing new content for ZBJW. It's an ever-growing, ever-evolving education platform that offers so much you just can't find anyplace else. But the most important thing to me is that this is a powerful, supportive, trustworthy community. Through solid, up-to-date education and community, we provide a great place to become the thriving artists and business people we all strive to be. Join our Discord, meet the people, explore the community, join. I look forward to seeing you soon.